Welcome to our channel. Please like and subscribe.
Imagine this. You're walking through Lisbon. Cobblestone streets beneath your feet. The sound of Portuguese around you. Soft, flowing, melodic. Someone smiles at you and says something. You hesitate, not because it's impossible, but because you don't know what to say. But what if, in just the next few minutes, you could learn simple Portuguese phrases that instantly make you feel more confident, more connected, more at home? Because language is the fastest way to turn a place into an experience. Let's begin. Section 1. Greetings. First, greetings. Start with Hola, hello, hola. Simple, friendly, universal. Now something more polite. Bom dia, good morning, bom dia. In the afternoon, boa tarde, good afternoon, boa tarde. And in the evening, boa noite, good evening/good night. Notice the rhythm. Bom, boa, easy to remember. Section 2. Saying thank you. Now, gratitude. In Portuguese, obrigado. Thank you, obrigado. If you're female, say obrigada. One small change, big difference. And to say thank you very much, muito obrigado, or muito obrigada. Section 3. Yes and no. Keep it simple. Yes is sim, and no is não. Sim, não. Practice the nasal sound. Não. Section 4. Being polite. Now imagine you need help. Start with desculpe. Excuse me, sorry. Desculpe. And for requests, por favor. Please. Por favor. These two phrases will make everything smoother. Section 5. Introducing yourself. Now, introduce yourself. Say, eu sou, your name. I am, your name. Eu sou, or o meu nome é, your name. My name is. And to say nice to meet you, muito prazer. Nice to meet you, muito prazer. Section 6. Asking questions. Now let's ask questions. Fala inglês? Do you speak English? Fala inglês. If you're confused, o que é isto? What is this? O que é isto? And if you didn't understand, pode repetir. Can you repeat? Pode repetir. Section 7. Ordering food. Imagine you're at a cafe. You see something you like. Point and say, isto, por favor. This, please. Isto, por favor. And if you want something specific, café, por favor. One coffee, please. And when you're done, a conta, por favor. The bill, please. Section 8. Saying goodbye.
Now, saying goodbye. Adeus. Goodbye. More formal, but in daily life, ciao, bye, or até logo, see you later. A te logo. And just like that, you now have real Portuguese phrases, not just vocabulary, but tools. Tools to connect, to explore, to experience. Because language is not about perfection, it's about courage. So next time, when someone speaks to you in Portuguese, don't freeze. Smile and say, Olá, and your journey begins.
That was excellent. Please like and subscribe for daily lessons. See you next time.